Divine love of my life, come to me.
Ganesham, Sai Ram, chant the names of the Lord. Ganesham, Sai Ram, chant the names of the Lord. Sai, hold me in love, lift me above, bring me home to thee. Sai, hold me in love, lift me above, bring me home to thee. Bhagavan Sai Ram, names of the Lord. Bhagavan Sai Ram, Bhagavan Sai Ram, names of the Lord.
Chant the name of the Lord.
Swami, fill me with peace, grant me release, make me one with thee. Swami, fill me with peace, grant me release, make me one with thee. Bhagavan Sai Ram, be with me, my Lord. Bhagavan Sai Ram,
Be with me, my Lord.
Bhagavan Sai Ram, be with me, my Lord. Bhagavan Sai Ram, be with me, my Lord. Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba, Bhagavan Kali Yuga Avatar, Bhagavan, divine love of my heart, come to me.
All right, what's the next
Not
one?
customary to apply it after.
Well, it was so great. I mean, what could we do? It was just spontaneous.
That brings the energy up.
That's
Hi,
right.
Chris.
Energy.
Hi, I'm Shiva.
And I can't remember your. Every time I see you, tell me what is Lolita. I love you, Lolita, but that name Lolita.
La.
That's such a beautiful name, but I can't ever remember.
Say you'll remember.
I'll remember it next time. Okay, so let's do it.
I can bring some more chairs from inside, some of the white chairs. I'll get him in.
Why fear when I am here?
Fear when I am here.
Why fear when I am here?
Why fear when I am here?
So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
Why fear when I am here?
Why fear when I am here?
All I want is your love, my child. All I want is your faith.
All I want is your love, my child. All I want is your faith.
All I want is your love in God, no matter what your faith. All I want is your love in God, no matter what your faith. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
So says Baba, Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. Why fear when I am here?
Why fear when I am here?
Why fear when I am here?
Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Muhammad, all came through this land.
Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Muhammad, all came through this land.
All of them brought the message of love. Love your fellow man.
All of them brought the message
Of love,
of your
fellow man.
So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
Says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
Says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
Why fear when I am here?
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 The light you see in the dark of night is that of God in man.
The light you see in the dark of night is that of God in man.
Find the light that is in your heart. Love your fellow man.
Find the light
That is in your heart. Love your fellow man. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord.
So says Baba, saying the name will give protection, worries and doubts will cease.
When we call wherever we are, the name will give us peace.
When we call wherever we are, the name will give us peace.
Rama's name is Father and Mother, it is our dearest friend.
Rama's name is Father and Mother, it is our dearest friend.
We have no need of any other, on whom we can depend.
That is the meaning of life. But you live individual freedom for the eternity. That is your life, the meaning. Why you have here? For you realize yourself, to the earth is the university, for understanding too who I am. What is our purpose? Does Bhagavan say? I am you. How do I am you? You are me and you are what to me. I asking you, or Rudy, where are you going? He said, I am going. I asked him, where are you going? Then he just given the answer, Swamiji, I am going to the town or market. So you and I is what is the meaning? You teaching me and you given to the answer, I going to the market. So here, only the word by word reflection. It's just like a mirror. You look inside everyone. You see your eyes, everything. Is it? You just say, Yasya nasti swayam prajna shastram tasya karoti kim lojanavyam vihinasyam darpanam kim karishyati. Yasya nasti swayam prajna. Given birth itself, you have lot of knowledge. You bought the wisdom yourself. Then why you need in another book reading? Maybe that they wrote their experience. Here we just say, man made the religions and caste and color and creed. God only made all creation, being. God's never made any caste, no creed, no nationality. So man made it. Then we just look within and without, and we see this light is ourselves. But our eyes always attractions to watch in outside. Oh, beautiful flowers. That beauty always attracting. Beauty strike the eyes, but goodness always strike your heart. And here is a beauty, and you can see your eyes. Then same person keeping the flower 10 or 15 days, he said, oh, flower is dead, it's gone, become to dry, throw it away. Where is the truth? Did you mention to the 1 week before, oh, beautiful colors, flower, nice fragrance, look like very nice. Same person, that is the past. The present saying that, what flower you keeping here? It is dry. Go and just take, throw away. Are you speaking the truth? Or are you seeing in the truth? Have you mentioned the truth before? All illusions, what are we just seeing and unseeing? All illusions. Maybe sorry for you could not grasping or understanding my poor English. I think you can understand. Eh? So this is all in our dharma. Dharma is assisting with in ourselves. Thus always be with us like a recording always, because we watch. Why are you wearing the watch? How many people wear the watch? Please raise the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Why you wear the watch? Whose time you knowing? You know your time? Or you know the person who I want to ask, what is my time? Tell me. Can you say into the standard, American standard time? What is the America going to be tomorrow through your time? Sometimes we said, and our time is not ready, time is not good, because I am suffering. I am beginning in the business, I am starting something, my time is not good, that is why I am suffering or having the difficulties. But asking the 5 elements to you, representative of watch connected, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch yourself. Should not watch others, cannot speak anyone the word of the time. We looked within to watch yourself. How? Watch your word, that is the W. What you saying? You must careful. I must meet you tomorrow. And I want to like to see you evening. Watch your words. That's a W. Second, you remember what you told them. Watch your words and watch your action. That's a WA. Then third, you just saying to them, watch what you think or thoughts, and think and act it without concentrate and focusing. Like when you're driving, you speak in someone else and you are not listening to your side and east and west or wherever you just straight left or right, you're going to accident. What think and act it. And the fourth, you say, watch your character. See, if your character is good, you can make it a good way and you can see the good. And fifth, you say, watch your heart. Your heart is the pure and more clear, and you can watch yourself to the heart is the compassion of the wisdom of the gate. Yours. So this is meaning why watch. Are you wearing like that meaning? No, you said I am going to know the time, what time I want to go. And it is, the time and actions where you want to work. So this is the watch. And the God given to you the beautiful house. Who constructed the house? He said the good contractor. Father and mother is creating us. We come to this womb. The father is sowing the seeds in the mother belly. the mother is taking care of, like a fruitful, come to the earth. The first in our God and Goddess in our parents, mother and father. We love our parents. Because without mother and father, we cannot enter this universe to purpose, to how to bring our life. So you love yourself and you love your parents and you teaching your children or brothers or sisters and surrounding nations. And then life become to this more message, not mess age. You can bring your life to live and show into the message of everyone. Don't mess age your life. Don't make it to any worst of your age. To bring each and everybody, show yourself dignity and light. Here, we just sang the bhajans Hari Home Tassat. That Hari Home Tassat. You must don't be slow. Don't become to the laziness. You become to this Hari Home Tassat. You must go Hari fast. Tassat. That is your destiny. Idam shariram kaundaya kshetre ityadi devam sarva nastistam padeyam. This body is just like a temple. This confident and you have something, focus and concentration to abhimanam. You just this like, oh, I am that. This is the body. Don't forget. Comes and goes. When you deep sleep, you forget yourself, who you are. What is your name? Where you sleeping? Who is your husband? Who is your wife? Who is your children? Who is parents? What is your job? Everything is we forget. When somebody knock, hello, wake up, wake up. Then you remember, oh, I want not to dress properly. I want to dress clearly. And then you open what you are, the rooms, and you, oh, wait, yeah, I come in a minute. So here, each and every one is living. They don't know who they are. Most of the people trying to first, who is that Baba? What he is doing? Who is the Swami? Where you coming? But everybody is coming same. There is no difference between you and me and he and you. Because the sun is shining to the earth, the beams. You put it various kind of silver pot or mirror. You look, each mirror you can see sun. If you put it on million mirror in the ground, you can see million sun. It is not any difference between the one sun and you. He and you are same reflection from the divine soul. But you like the light, electricity, some electricity make into the hot, some is make into cool, some is make into light, some make into this ice. All the things are fan, and everything is depends upon electricity. What is the content inside? What you just change, you can get like that way. Here is your life with your hands and yourself. You focus and you concentrate. The yugam allilum nallu kali yugam sugame thanne mukti varuttuvan. Best yugas to this for liberation is Kali Yuga. Kridam, Treda, Dvavaram, Kali. This all for yugas coming. Golden age, silver age, brass age, iron age. The best age, the iron age is best. Yuga is for the liberation. Why? Because golden age, you must penance thousands years. Silver age, and you must do this yaga, itna, and dwapara, and you must do more prayer and chanting and everything. But in this Kali Yuga, only through the Nama Sankirtanam, repetition to the God's name, is the wisdom of this ocean of your getting to the happiness and peace. Only the Nama Sankirtanam, you can concentrate your mind, you can focus yourself, and you repeat the Nama Japa, you will be attain the salvation. There is no any doubt about it. How many thousands people surrounding in this country? Why not everybody can concentrate that? Because everybody not matured or ready to reach into that. God is opening the university for every subject. But some of the children for tasted and I like to become a doctor, engineer, or become a teacher, actor, and poetry, and whatever it is, and technical and all the things. When the teacher is teaching the student, not to mention you become a doctor, you become an engineer, you become a thief, you become policeman, you become robbery. No, never saying anything like that. We depends, bring to our attachment, vasana, desires. You focusing, teacher teaching in the subject. Those all subject, what he learned, and he teaching the syllabus from the university. And we are all taking different way of, if you focus and concentrate, you get the good mark and good things. And you pass and success. The questions, board is given the question, and you going to the college and you return it. If you right answer, you will get A grade and complete mark. Then you fail. Oh, it is funny question, funny things and like, but you are funny. You are not focused in the teacher's teaching. You listen to the children, your friends and what talking, you are not focusing. Don't blame the teacher or any school or syllabus or book. But in our mistake, we don't blame to others. Here, dharma is rakshati rakshanta. Our duty and righteousness we must do. If you are the father or mother or brother or sister, you do your dharma to love yourself. Then you love your parents and your children and everyone. Without unconditional love, without the cooperation and unity, cannot make any happiness and joy with yourself. Those all happiness and peace is residing within you. You create yourself that opportunity. You can make yourself. The heaven and hell are within. So, God is not a constructed to building like that in hell and heaven. We made it. What we do into the bad action, we come to the reaction. When you took the ball and you throw the balls, the ball is coming back. Balls not pushing. You do the action, you return the reaction. So each and everybody having their own dharma and karma and reaction. So I wish you, each and everyone, to bring to happiness and peace and harmony and good health and peaceful, prosperous, bright future to attain to the eternal bliss and joy and peace. So thank you, Rudy, for the great opportunity, and all of the devotees and whoever enter, friends and relatives, and I think everybody is all relative. It's all mate. So there is no any difference between you and me. They give into the chair, I am sitting here. Otherwise I can sit there also. God is in everywhere. He is omnipresent, omnipotent. God is in all men. But all men are not in the God. That is why they suffer. Otherwise, God never give into any special category for you going to suffering or you going to become rich. Our vision, we analyzing and we acting and we having. This is only man choose and become to be. What you have done in the past, if you put it on the bank, billion or million, you get this year in the interest. If you are not put it in the bank any, you cannot go into any just to take the money or anything. You want the credit card, is it? So here you must each and everyone have any credit to that in the past life. Thus you pay back everything. Through the Nama Sankirtana, you chant the God's name, fill him back your emptiness, filled with his love and compassion and light in your heart. through your Nama Sankirtana. I wish you, God give it to you great opportunity, like this holy center or spiritual center, whenever you reach into the, make your heart and body and mind and all your elements. Eyes is watching outside beauty, ear is waiting for outside people saying, nose waiting for outside fragrance, tongue ready to prepare, speak outside, skin is healing it. Everything is just looking out, nothing to inner consciousness, focus inside. If you focus inside, Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. This mantra, every human beings having 6 chakras, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anagata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, Sahasrara, Padma. Given by birth itself, God given 1,000 petals of lotus for us. 968, birth itself already opened upward. Only 32 is down. Through your entire lifetime, you want to make the doing to pranayama or meditation or dhyana, throughout working, this upward petals to want to raise up in up. That's only our life. In between, you should not do that, you comes and goes again. So that is why you chanting the mantra Om Namah Shivaya. It is not any Hindu or Islam or Christian or Buddha or Sarata. Meaning, I am, Om is the Pranava Mantram, A-U-M, Akaram, Ukaram, Makaram. Just like you say God, G-O-D, God. The meaning, G for generation, O for order, D for distraction or destroying. That is the same A-U-M. Akara, Mukara, Makara. Omkaramaya Purul, Munai Pirinyudane, Ankaramaya Dinu Tantanna Sakshiyadu, Bodham Varituvanalaya Ninna, Paramacharya, Rubahari, Narayanaya Nama. Beginning of the sounds of this Om. Who is creating that, the Om, the melodies of sounds? Who is the person to give into that the matters, subject and matters? Omkaramaya Purul. What's the reason of that? Monai Pin, splitting the three. You see the trident, just like we come to 3. That is here saying to that generation, order and distraction, destroying. But he said Shiva is a destroyer. It is a, don't take any misinterpretation. Only destroy meaning whatever you having any bad things, he is destroying that. He is dispelling all your egos and your confusion and doubts, and he is lead your righteousness. That is destroying your ignorance and egos and doubt. That's Shivam, bliss, eternal bliss. Given to Ananda, eternal bliss. You make your life, bring your hearts more happiness and open, bring to the Ananda. So, you can just sing 1 or 2 bhajans. But my sound is not good, but I can say even whatever you, I heard your beautiful sounds, rhythm, melodies. If I comparing, maybe I just like a crow or something like that. So I can, we can sing, okay? Gauri Gane, Uma Gane, Parvati Nandana Sri Gane, Gauri Gane, ശരണം ഗണേശ ശരണം
ഗണേശ ശരണം ഗണേശ
ശിവനന്ദന ഗണപതി ഗണേശ
ശിവനന്ദന ഗണപതി ഗണേശ
ഗൗരി ഗണേശ ഉമാ ഗണേശ പാർവതി നന്ദന ശ്രീ ഗണേശ
ഗൗരി ഗണേശ ഉമാ ഗണേശ പാർവതി നന്ദന ശ്രീ ഗണേശ
ശരണം ഗണേശ ശരണം ഗണേശ
ശരണം ഗണേശ ശരണം ഗണേശ
ശിവനന്ദന ഗണപതി ഗണേശ
ശിവനന്ദന ഗണപതി ഗണേശ
ഗൗരി ഗണേശ ഉമാ ഗണേശ പാർവതി നന്ദന ശ്രീ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ നിത്യാനന്ദ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ ഹരി 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 ഓം
നാരായണ
നാരായണ സായി നാരായണ നാരായണ സായി നാരായണ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ
ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ
പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ
ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ
നാരായണ സായി നാരായണ
നാരായണ സായി നാരായണ
ഹരി 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 ഓം 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 നാരായണ
പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ പ്രേമ സ്വരൂപ പ്രേമാനന്ദ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ നിത്യാനന്ദ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ ഹരി 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 ഓം നാരായണ ഗോപാല കൃഷ്ണ രാധാ കൃഷ്ണ ഗോപാല കൃഷ്ണ രാധാ കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ ഗോപാല കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ ഗോപാല കൃഷ്ണ ധനയാ ഗോപാല ധനയാ ധനയാ ഗോപാല ധനയാ ശത്രു ഗുരുണാം സഹ പാണ്ഡപാലാ ശത്രു ഗുരുണാം സഹ പാണ്ഡപാലാ ശത്രു ഗുരുണാം സഹ പാണ്ഡപാലാ ശത്രു ഗുരുണാം സഹ सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् पूर्वारुगमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् पूर्वारुगमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् पूर्वारुगमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् ॐ ह्रीं नमः शिवाय. Everybody, can you everyone gathering like this and you're meeting together, do some meditation and healing and all the things. You know, whenever we just do into the mantra and chanting like the holy names, all our mental stress and tension and worries take away. And also whenever you're healing and you all negative energy and whatever it is you suffering, pain and aching and everything is get away from you. So please find out like that and healing and all the things, and I wish you by the grace of Almighty God Bhagwan and all kind of whatever you believe in. You believe in Jesus or Buddha or Allah or Krishna, Rama, whatever, everything is same. We don't think it is a Krishna is different, Jesus is different, Allah, Muhammad is different, Allah is different. It is not different. People seeing like that. Like when you just have you are the mother in the house for your children, but your mothers, you are the daughter, and your husband, you are the wife. If you have a sister, you are the sister of them, elder or younger. And if they have a children, you are the auntie. If you have a friends and classmates, you are the friends and classmates. The person is same, but it's just like that. We create the different various way of everything. But every individual beings having their own degree, dignity and power. So I wish you everybody is more happy and peace and harmony. Just we can chant Omkar and finish. ma viddushva vahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Swasti Prajabhyam Paripalayenta Nayena Magena Mahim Mahishya. Go Brahmanebhyam Shubhamastu Nityam. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti. The meaning Sahana Bhavadu. Equally we having others happiness and knowledge and whatever we learn from each other. Equally we just happen to peace and harmony and good health. And we can love together, share, we can just give into the each and every one and hand over into our knowledge and our compassion and love. Make the unity and happiness and peace enter the universe. There is no caste, no creed, no color, no nationality. All enter universal beings. Let it happy and peace and harmony and health. This is the prayer is saying that it is not any mentioned any other caste or creed or color or anything. So we are always that make your mind and thoughts bring to the unity and happiness and peace and harmony. That is your willpower. That's your strong foundation of that unconditional love. Spread the unconditional love and the unity each and every one. So anyway, we just decided to next year 3 days special classes retreat the Lama Norbo place nearly. Anybody interested to want to come, contact the Bharat. So very nice with the pranayama. And here whatever you are learning or teaching in the pranayama, I understand some people they say take the breath and in healing it's healing in the body. It is not pranayama that. Pranayama is really take your breath to Vishuddha chakra to this, you are coming to all your 6 chakras. You are not taking the breath out or inner. Only one breath to you is circulated to that and you waking your Kundalini Shakti. Even anyone learn that, one day I retreat one day that class also. Whoever is learning that Kundalini Shakti, you can wake up your own Kundalini energy without any problem. Otherwise you can see the book or some television, maybe sometime you have created some health wise and some problem mental stress sometimes. If by the Gurus sow the seeds of the mantra, if you don't want to daily sowing the seed there, you just want once in a crop, you sow the seed, you taking care of and watch and you look after that and pouring the water and fertilize, we come to the fruits. So here just same thing, we are going to teaching that. Anyway, I don't want to, first I mentioned you who I am. That I am a humble servant in front of you. Where I am staying, now I am in front of you, you are in front of me. Both are equally, there is no any behind the walls. So we are just, so Swami is in front of us. I said no, devotee is in front of me. We equally up to together. But in the physical form is who give it to my mother and father. They are in India, in Kerala. And I just conducted a pre-ashrama. And childhood age onwards, when I remember 10 year and 7 month old time, people come to my home. Early age, I remember all the things. Now I am 49 running, 15 going on. So next year, March 30th, my 50th birthday. If you like to come, you're most welcome to India. We conducted a holy program, taking each disciple to pilgrimage to India, to Mogambika, Sri Krishna and other temple, everyone. Then you reach there nearly 25th, because 26th morning we traveling 2 days pilgrimage. You have a place for staying, there is no problem. I think my second ashram nearly 44 big room, and also big hall, nearly 3,000 people can sit there, 2,000, 3,000 people can sit the bhajans. So there is no any problem. Water is plenty. fruits, I think food also India is no problem that. So if you're willing, if you want to come, my house is your home. So you're most welcome, each and everyone. And I just also am a small humble physician, the doctor can mention like that way. I learned the homeopath. I qualified 1987. After that I just naturopathy and alternative medicine. I London University psychotherapy. I passed 2007, 2003 I joining, and 7 I just 4 years course. And European community is given to the doctorate of philosophy for me. And then I am treating the people free medicine and free treatment. So I find out medicine for AIDS and HIV and cancer and angina. Now I am just researching to diabetic medicine, but I have no own laboratory. I just depends upon and London Heliopharmacy. Maybe you heard that, Kent Heliopharmacy. They are very willing and very interested to support into that. One day when the possible come, I want to build the building in India to help all over the world, whoever are suffering. The last 10 or 11 years back, I given to the treatment for people free. Clinic starting 15 years. So every day, morning to until lunch time, how many patients come? We don't look any caste, no creed, no color, no nationality, no rich, no poor. Rich and poor are mine. I am always helping and healing to the people. So I wish you are also do some service to the humanity, service to the God. So wish all the good luck.